Welcome to this video. Really great to have you here. I hope you enjoy this video. It's going to be a quick one, but it's going to give you some really good information. What I'm going to cover in this video is how to pick a profitable niche from ClickBank, but more importantly, I'm going to show you how to pick a niche that you can actually find a way into, so you're not having to compete with everyone else. And I'm going to show you how to do this in 5 minutes. Plus, I'm going to show you how to do it with AI, so you can just get going today and take a lot of the work out with clever prompting. So really excited to show you this. Do give us a like, do give us a subscribe if you're interested in building income streams with AI. If you enjoy this video, I'd really appreciate it. It does help. Also, if you're interested in building profitable affiliate sites in 2024 and moving into 2025, check out the link in the description. It will take you through to this page and you can get your freedom ticket. You'll be able to see in the video everything that you get. In a nutshell, you're getting niches picked for you with the content for the niche sites. So you get 20 pieces of content for each niche site and exactly how to set it up and get ranked and start making sales. So if you've ever wanted to build profitable affiliate sites, this is the course for you. It's got everything that you need in there. It's in the description. Do consider it, and let's get straight on with picking profitable ClickBank products really quickly. So the first thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to head over to ChatGPT and we're going to get started. Here we go. Okay, so prompt number 1, I'm going to do this live with you so you can see the results. List 10 profitable niches on ClickBank with a high demand for digital products and strong affiliate potential. Include niche popularity and audience details. And here we go. So what it's doing here is giving us a really bird's eye view of the niches. So it's not particularly going to pick out any products. It's just giving me an idea of what are the most profitable niches. So no surprises here. You can see weight loss and fitness right at the top, make money online, self-improvement, dating and relationships, health and wellness, manifestation and law of attraction, survival and prepping, personal finance and investing, spirituality and alternative beliefs, and green energy. And what you can also see is the audience is interesting, so that's worth looking at. You can see, okay, primary women aged 25 to 50, law of attraction, primary woman aged 25 to 45, and so on. So you can see what it considers to be out of these niche areas, you know, the demographics, the audience, and then why it works. So if you look here, sub niches like keto diets, intermittent fasting and fitness programs. So we've got 10 really good bird's eye view niches. The next thing that we need to do is obviously pick a niche to go into, and I'll show you how to do that. Okay, so your second prompt to be able to find an actual product is something along the lines of, we've got our 10 main bird's eye view niches here, areas, niche areas. Now we want to find a product, so a prompt like this will do the job. Based on the law of attraction niche, list the top 5 ClickBank products with high gravity and conversion rates. Include product names, commission rate and target audience. Now I've picked law of attraction, which was number 6, but you could do health and wellness, dating and relationships, and so on. Okay, and here we go. So this is the second prompt to use. Here are the top 5 ClickBank products in the law of attraction niche with high gravity and strong conversion rates. So you've got Soulmate Sketch, it's telling me the target audience, it's telling me why it works. You've got Manifestation Magic, you've got the commission rate, why it works, the main sort of area of the product, the bioenergy code, the genie script, 15-minute manifestation, and it's giving me, okay, each of these products appeals to a strong emotional desire for self-improvement and success, which is central to the law of attraction niche. But we want to delve a bit deeper, and we also want to find a way into the niche. So the next prompt that you want to use, I'm going to show you now. Okay, so I'll show you this prompt And this is really where the magic happens. This is where you find a way into the niche. So what I'll do is I'll show you the prompt, and let's go for 15-minute manifestation as the product choice. Here we go. So the next prompt is for the product, 15-minute manifestation, and obviously you could change that for any product. List the main features, benefits, and unique selling points that make it attractive to buyers. Here we go. Here's a breakdown of the 15-minute manifestation product, highlighting its main features, benefits, and unique selling points. Audio tracks, theta brainwave technology, 3-phase system, free bonuses, quick and easy to implement, so these are the benefits, fast results, rewires limiting beliefs, no prior experience needed, non-intrusive and relaxing. And here we go, unique selling points. So when you're thinking about building a niche site, or when you're thinking about promoting via pay-per-click, or whether you're going to build an email list and offer something of actual value, this really helps. Unique selling points. So you could speak about the theta technology, time efficient, simple and beginner friendly, emotional appeal, affordable and high value package. And there we go. So it stands out due to its ease of use, its theta brainwaves, scientific angle, theta brainwaves, and quick time commitment, all of which appeal to buyers looking for fast and effective solutions to improve their lives. Okay, the next prompt that you can use, a little bonus one for you before I show you how to get the content for it. A little prompt that you can use is help me find an angle into this niche with a lot of searches focused on one or two specific areas, so I do not have to compete with everyone else, but where there will still be traffic and sales potential. Okay, this is an extra bonus one that you can put in, and here we go. And it's updating its memory to carve a unique angle out in the law of attraction niche. There we go. So if it's giving me some ideas how I could position a site, the key phrases that we're going for, using manifestation to scale a business, attracting high quality clients or customers. So this is for business success. You've got for health and healing. You've got for there we go. So you could ask for more, but you can see how you can get the angle in, so you can actually not have to compete with every other affiliate. I've got one more prompt to show you that will really help you. Here we go. Okay, so this is another bonus one for you. It's more to do with the content. Now we've got our niche and we've got our way in. We know that it's a good niche. Here we go. Give me 5 blog post or video content ideas to promote the 15-minute manifestation ClickBank product to drive affiliate sales. Here we go. This is another way you could do the above as well if you don't want to go into a different angle. Here we go. So this is a blog and a video focus, how to reprogram your mind in 15 minutes. My personal 30-day journey, that would be a fantastic way of doing it. Actually buy the product and use it and show it. Then you've got why most manifestation techniques fail, and the simple solution, the top 3 benefits of theta brainwave technology, manifestation for busy people, how to attract wealth in just 15 minutes a day. So now you've got a way in that you can use that would make for a fantastic blog post, a fantastic video, and you could promote the product, or you could make it into an email course as well to promote the product. So there you have it. Really simple way to find a converting product with ClickBank, and to make sure, more importantly, you can find a way in and to get content ideas. So if you enjoyed it, do give us a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Cheers for watching, guys.